Picture this: you are slapped with a massive medical bill, or there's a broken pipe that needs immediate fixing. It happens to the best of us, right? If money is tight and your savings fall short of the required amount, a personal loan can be a real lifesaver. Although good or excellent credit is typically preferred when applying for a loan, options are still available for those with poor credit. So if you're in this situation, there's no need to worry. Here's a list of 3 online lenders open to borrowers with bad or limited credit histories. The best part? They can get the funds to you within a day or 2 of approval. Let's look at your options and see what works best for you. Option 3, Avant. Avant is an online lending platform that connects fair and bad credit borrowers with personal loan lenders. While it's a solid choice for mid-size expenses, it lacks certain flexible features from other lenders. However, it remains a great option for those needing fast funding, particularly for individuals with credit scores of 689 or lower. So why should you consider it? For starters, Avant approves borrowers quickly, often within 1 business day, and you could have the money in your account the next day. This can be helpful if you need cash urgently. With Avant, you can also check what loan amount you qualify for without affecting your credit score. This can help you plan your budget better. While you can't choose your first payment date, you can change it twice during your loan term, making it easier to manage your payments. Even better, it has a mobile app where you can make payments and track your payment history, which can be convenient. On the downside, Avant may charge an origination fee of up to 9.99% of the loan amount, which could reduce the amount of money you receive. Additionally, unlike other lenders, Avant doesn't offer discounted interest rates for setting up automatic payments. Moreover, Avant does not allow borrowers to add a co-signer or co-borrower to their application, nor can they secure the loan with collateral. Yet, some lenders permit applicants to include collateral or a co-applicant to increase their chances of approval. And if you're using the loan for debt consolidation, Avant provides the funds to pay off your debts yourself. Yet, other lenders might handle this process for you and even offer a rate discount. While you don't necessarily need excellent credit, lenders typically offer the best rates to those with solid credit and income. To determine your eligibility, visit their website. Option 2, Upstart. Upstart is an online platform that links borrowers with banks and credit unions to secure funding for personal loans. Unlike traditional lenders that heavily rely on factors like credit reports, debts, income, and assets, Upstart utilizes artificial intelligence and non-traditional data such as your college education, job history, and residence to assess your eligibility for a personal loan. With Upstart, you can expect instant approval decisions upon application, with funds dispersed as quickly as 1 business day. This swift process sets it apart from most competitors. Additionally, you can pre-qualify on their website without affecting your credit score, allowing you to compare offers hassle-free. Though you can't choose your initial due date, you can change it once every 12 months, provided the new date falls within 15 days of the original due date. Regarding customer service, Upstart provides clear information on borrowing amounts, rates, and terms on its website, along with a frequently asked questions section. Their customer service representatives are also available 7 days a week to address queries. However, although Upstart provides flexibility in payment dates, it has limited repayment terms. Borrowers are restricted to choosing either a 3 or 5 year repayment term, which may be less flexible than lenders offering more options. While some lenders on Upstart charge origination fees, the platform's maximum fee of 12% is relatively high. Borrowers can deduct the fee from the loan before receiving the funds, reduce the loan amount, or include it in the loan amount and repay it as part of the loan. In addition, Upstart lacks a mobile app for managing loans, making it less convenient for borrowers who prefer mobile banking. Lastly, this platform only offers unsecured loans with no options for co-signed, joint, or secured loans. Yet, these alternatives could benefit specific borrowers who may not qualify for an unsecured loan. So, to determine your eligibility and learn how to apply, visit Upstart's website. Option 1, Upgrade. Upgrade personal loans cater to borrowers with low credit scores seeking to consolidate debt while improving their creditworthiness. Unlike other traditional lenders that generally focus on borrowers with credit scores of 690 or higher, Upgrade has more lenient requirements. This flexibility allows borrowers with scores as low as 629 to access discounted rates, direct payments to creditors for debt consolidation, and extended repayment terms. Upgrade stands out in several ways. Firstly, it provides more opportunities to lower your annual percentage rate than most competitors. The lender gives a 0.5 percentage point discount for setting up automatic loan payments. While some competitors offer autopay discounts ranging from 0.25 to 0.5 percentage points, this option provides an easy way to lower your APR slightly. Moreover, Upgrade offers a rate reduction of 1 to 3 percentage points for debt consolidation when the lender directly pays off your debts. However, you must allocate half the loan funds to other creditors to qualify for this discount. Secondly, clients with multiple Upgrade products may qualify for discounts on their loan rates, and secured or joint loans are available, which may offer lower rates or more straightforward qualification criteria. Upgrade also has a user-friendly mobile app for managing loan payments and offers free credit score monitoring and tools like a credit score simulator. Lastly, this platform offers longer repayment terms for larger loans, up to 7 years for loans over $30,000. As good as this may sound, there are setbacks to consider when applying for this loan. For instance, Upgrade imposes origination fees ranging from 1.85% to 9.99%. which can affect the loan's affordability. Additionally, borrowers do not have the option to choose their repayment date. Still, they can adjust it within a 15-day window before or after the assigned due date through the mobile app. You should visit their website for further details to see if you qualify for this loan and learn more about their terms and conditions. There you have it. Top 3 bad credit personal loans tailored for borrowers with low credit scores or limited credit histories. While these loans can assist you during emergencies, debt consolidation, or necessary home repairs, understand that borrowers with poor credit often face the highest personal loan APRs and fees, meaning your approved loan amount may be less than you requested. Before applying, carefully weigh the pros and cons of any bad credit loans you're considering and compare them with alternative borrowing options. Then, select the option that best aligns with your financial goals. Consulting with a professional is advisable for guidance in this process.